Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Overwatch and you keep getting this error, sorry we were unable to log you in with their code BN-564, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Overwatch easily. So I'll show you what you have to do to fix this error. So first off, you're going to open up your game's platform, and then what you're going to do is you're going to right click on Overwatch and then go into properties. I'm going to do it on another game as an example, and then you're going to go into general, and in launch options you're going to put this launch option. I'm going to put this launch option in the description of the video, so you're going to copy it from there and paste it in your launch options on Overwatch 2 or Overwatch. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to right click onto Overwatch and then click properties, go into installed files, click browse, and then what you're going to do is you're going to find the Overwatch exe file. You're going to right click on Overwatch exe, go into properties, go into compatibility, click disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply, okay, and then you can go ahead and run Overwatch 2 and you'll see that your game will now work. You will not get that error anymore. So the ages guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.